my videos don't get very many views because it's not very interesting to watch tutorials. Right now, our channel is just strictly tutorials. I thought of creating a pin cushion puppet that's non-verbal. So she doesn't talk. She's gonna be purple with black shiny eyes and a little smile and little black wire glasses. Obviously, I'm gonna have to get crafty and actually make her. I don't know anything about making puppets. I don't know anything about coding or Arduino or servo motors or simple machines or physics. And I have to learn this stuff because you can't buy it. And then I would like to have a big round window that's fake. And then I imagine around this round window, fake tree trunks kind of arched around the window with little branches. So the whole point of making this movie set idea, instead of just my craft room, is to create a space that is me. I want to show more people the things that they can do with their embroidery machine. So I'm not going to be doing your typical white IKEA craft room.